I'm starting with a black base and applying a layer of cat eye top ice gel. Then I use a magnet to pull the sparkle toward the tip. Now I'm brushing on a thin layer of blue glass gel. Using a tiny plush sign as a guide, I'm drawing a circle with white gel polish. Don't cure it yet. Gently adding soap foam on top of the wet gel. Now cure it as it is. Let's remove the foam. Look, we got a moonlight texture with cute little craters. Now, I'm mixing gray with a little top coat and shading around the moon for that dreamy effect. Sealing the whole nail with glossy top coat to lock it all in. Last step, just a few tiny stars and sparkles to complete the night sky look. Could you add more stars or maybe a little glassy swirl? First, I'm adding a matte top coat to set the surface for pigments. Now I'm tapping on the pigments color to get this soft blended rainbow base. I locked in the pigments with glittery top coat for that dreamy sparkle. With black paint gel and the liner brush, I'm drawing some teardrop shapes all over the nail. Then filling in the space between the shapes with solid black to make the colors inside really stand out. Using a dotting tool, I'm adding some tiny white dots on the black for extra detail. Finishing up with a shiny top coat and done. So easy and so pretty. First, apply a shiny gel base on your white nail. I'm using a light green gel with some shimmer to make it sparkle. Next, we'll apply a matte top coat. This helps create a smoother surface for the design. Now grab two gel colors and create thick lines, starting from the corner of the nail and curving out towards the tip. With white gel on a brush, gently pull the color outward to form petals by blending the two lines together. Now, let's add some white detail lines with a liner brush to give the flowers a more delicate look. Fill the center of the flower with black gel. Then use the liner brush to add some small black lines towards the petals. For the final touch, let's add a butterfly at the top of the nail. Gently press it down using an applicator. Finish up with a top coat to seal everything in place. I already painted the nail black to make the colors pop later. Now I'm adding a layer of top coat and curing it. While the nails are still tacky, gently tap gold foil over it. Don't cover it all, leave some spots. Let's seal that foil in with another layer of top coat. Now I'm layering red, blue and green grass gels, fading some together for a dreamy effect. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Once that's cured, I'm rubbing chrome powder on top for that shiny, magical vibe. Just sealing it all in with one last top coat and that's it. First, I'm adding some glitter top coat to the tip of a black nail and blending it upward with an ombre brush. Now I'm drawing a soft flower. I start with a few guidelines and build the petals on top. Next, I add red jelly gel in the center and blend it outwards to give the petals a pretty red to clear fade. Just sealing everything with a shiny top coat. And to finish, I'm placing a tiny bit of gold glitter in the center of the flower for that extra sparkle. Start with a black nail and add a thin layer of blooming gel. Don't cure it. Now I'm just guiding the white gel in a way that, once it is spread in the blooming layer, it creates this artistic shape that feels like a butterfly and flower. It's all about letting the blooming gel do its magic. Let me know in comments, butterfly or flower, which one's your favorite? After curing, rub pigment powders over the white parts. And now we will have a dreamy, colorful butterfly and flower. Now seal everything with a glossy top coat to lock the colors in. Add some delicate white lines to the butterfly wings. Save this design and try it later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.